Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a killer 1958 Impala Bel Air. This car is loaded. It's got a 348 Powerglide, tri-power, original motor and transmission. Unfortunately, my client's father had passed away. He's selling it. This was his dream car. And it's loaded. It's got every option you can imagine, including the dealer options like the tissue holder there, these cool dual spots. The mirror is integrated in there as well. Finished in Fathom Blue. Side skirts, Continental kit. Correct turns downs on the exhaust. California bumpers in the back. This color is stunning. Seats have been covered to protect them. Love how the Fathom Blue rolls with the interior color. Very nice mix. Got the correct caps too with the spinners. It's got power disc brakes, power steering too. Makes it easy to drive. I love the styling of this car. Fathom Blue and the white is stunning. Super straight, beautiful body. This was the era when it was America was great. Wow, look at the steering wheel. Just amazing. Damn radio. Just awesome. I think this is another option for the dealer. I think you put your cigarette or a cigar on there and the tube sucks out the smoke. There's a tissue dispenser. Clock. That's really nice. I'm gonna get the gas. It's cute. Comes with a little model too. Love the little bit of sparkle in there. So pretty. Compass too, that's pretty cool. Nice clear rear view mirror, it's not laminating or anything like that. Seat looks in perfect condition. Sounds so good. All the windows roll up nicely. Just a super nice car. Nice wide whites. She is 348. Power brakes, a disc up front, drum in the rear. Power steering. All tuned up, ready to go. Even the washer reservoir. Pretty cool. I've seen around like this. Such a pretty car in this color. Tires also look brand new. It's got T3s up front. At least one of them. T3. Cool. Comes the train. With the dual exhaust too. Doesn't look like the radio works. Oh, look at the it's got the spot so you can, oh, there's the radio, it just needs to warm up. Cool. Very neat. This is so you can see the traffic light. This is Centennial, so it has automatic brights. Not sure if it works or not, but pretty cool option. Lights work great. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Whitewall Autos. If I missed an option or something, just let me know. 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures and information on our website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.